She's gonna bite you. She's gonna bite you. So just on the belly.
Up, up.
Good girl. What are you doing?
Sing.
Oh, I'll give it. I'll put you some on your. I'll put some on your palm. Give me your hand.
Are you playing this on Facebook?
Look here, Glenn. Take a photo. Yeah, nice.
I feel like she's biting me.
Yeah, she's quite got strong bite now.
How old is she?
She is 6 months.
She's 6 months old. Is she 1 year old?
No, it's just 6 months.
I thought her. Is she birthday in January?
Well, January when we picked her up, but I think she was born in November.
And Mom, can you draw Ronaldo, please?
Draw Ronaldo
Yeah.
or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.